Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Before I show you today's recipe, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook to know what we'll be cooking next. Today we'll be cooking Sichuan Hot Sour Soup. So let's start cooking. First, heat up a pan. We are going to make chili oil now. Once the pan is heated up, add in approximately 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat up the oil until you see smoke coming up from it. Meanwhile, in the bowl, put in 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We'll pour the hot oil into here to make the chili oil. But of course, this is optional. If you don't have all this, it's fine too. Do not fry the chili powder in the oil because chili powder burns easily. So once the oil has heated up, we'll pour the oil into the chili powder. Just like this. We'll let this rest for a while and then we'll now do the soup. In the same pan, add in some oil. We're going to fry the ingredients now. I'm going to add in and fry 100 grams of pork loin, which I've cut into strips like this. Next, add in 60 grams of carrot shredded and 8 mushroom, dried mushroom which I've hydrated, also shredded. Just fry them around for 30 to 40 seconds. Frying the mushroom now actually makes the soup more flavorful, hence we are doing this. After the carrots has leaned down a little bit, you add in 60 grams of black fungus. This I'm using the fresh ones. If you want to use the dry one, by all means do so too. And 80 grams of ham. Mix them up well. I'll add in the water now. This is 1.5 liter of water. This is good enough for a family of 4. Add in 1 chicken stock cube. I'm using the non-MSG type. Put the cover on and let this come to a boil. Once this is boiling, we'll add in the tofu. I'm using soft tofu. There are a few types available in the market. Go for the one that is suitable to make soup, which is slightly firmer. So just slowly slide it in. Remember to cut into strips like what I did. Add in now 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Inside this solution, there's 3 tablespoons of black vinegar as well as half a tablespoon of white pepper. I mix them up well like this and I'm going to pour them in now. Give it a light stir and we'll let this boil for another 10 minutes. The soup is almost done. Let's have a look. Beautiful color. We will now add in seasoning. I'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt first and we'll give it a taste. Wow, very good. Now if you want your soup to be more spicy, you can add in a little bit more pepper if you want to. But normally I like to leave it to my family members and guests to decide how spicy they want it to be. So it's a little bit milder. Now we need to thicken up this. Prepare some cornstarch solution and we'll slowly mix this in. Turn the heat down a little to just give it a gentle boil and slowly mix this in and stir gently while you are putting in the cornstarch solution. Okay, this should be good. We'll now add in 2 eggs beaten into this beautiful soup that we have. Just slowly push it when we want it to be beautiful. So just stir in one direction. Okay, it's ready to be served. One last thing to do before we feast on this beautiful soup, and that is to add in the chili oil that we have made just now. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we make our hot and sour soup. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Please click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching.